Hi guys, Jen here. Today I have to change out the battery in my Leaf, and I thought, since I get so many people asking me how do I do this, what's the steps for doing this, and I know Bellabeat has covered this before, I still wanted to take a few moments and just make a quick video for you guys. So first thing that's really important is before you change out a Leaf battery, you want to make sure that you sync your Leaf with your app, just so that you're not losing any information there. I already did that, so I'm not going to show you guys how to do that, but you're going to want to grab yourself a brand new 2032 battery there, and then grab your Bellabeat Leaf tool. And you're going to, now this tool comes in with your Leaf regardless of which kind you get. It does come with, along with, now these are for something else, but some small little screws that you can put in there as well. So first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and take out all 4 of the screws on the back here. Now normally you only have to do this about every 6 months. I have found that Energizer has the best batteries, and it really goes a little over the 6-month time. I find that Duracell has me changing around 4 or 5 months. So it really just kind of depends how often I sync, what batteries I'm using, that sort of thing. Make sure when you are doing this too that you put your batteries off to the side, because as you see, they are quite small. They can get lost very, very easily. Now my Leaf here has the clip, the impulse clip, and it slides out. Flip this over here. It slides out in this direction. Now this is going to be true whether you have the impulse clip or I have the urban clip here as well. And I just want to make a quick mention that these clips are interchangeable. So a couple weeks, well, that was February, I had posted that I bought some new clips to put on my Leaves, really to show you guys, because one of the questions I get personally all the time is somebody may have one of the chakras, and you've got the power chakra here, and then let's see here, this one, it comes in the Leaf chakra, the love, and this one is silver with the rose gold on there. And I just want to make quick mention of this because it's super, super easy to change these out. And as you see, this one's got the rose quartz in there. This one has the onyx. So if you're really into swapping these things out, it's really great. Now, the great thing is because all of these are all, the placement of all of the holes are the same thing regardless. I can easily switch this over to my current Leaf here, which is very loved and worn. But you can switch it up as needed. And, you know, if you're syncing every day or every other day or, you know, once a week, it really just kind of depends on how often you're checking in. You can swap these out very quickly. So it's just a matter of sync first and then swap. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this battery out. Hopefully, there we go. I always like to take a look and just make sure that there's no excess body oils or anything in here. I have taken a more Ayurvedic approach recently to doing a oil self-care massage right before I take a shower. So I don't typically have a lot of oil left on my skin when I put the Leaf back on, but I do like to make sure, because I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, there is a little bit of dirtiness and indentation in here from past uses of oil. So I definitely like to take a look, just make sure everything is working right, make sure my seal is nice and clean. And I don't know if you guys can kind of see that there, but there's a little bit there. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and clean that up. So let me grab. All right, so I grabbed a tissue, and what I'm going to do is just go in here and just kind of wipe things down. Now this is just going to make sure that my Leaf is going to continue to run in its tip-top shape as usual. All right, and if you've got any on the inside here, it's really important to take a Q-tip. You can get in there and just kind of clean that out. based off of looking at this, everything looks pretty good, but I might just run this over just to be sure. All right. So we're going to take that old battery and we're going to set that aside so we're not getting confused with that there. And we're going to take the new battery. Make sure you peel off this back piece here. Now, when you put in the new battery, the leaf should vibrate. Now, that's how you know there. I don't know if you guys heard it or not, but it makes a quick little sound. So I'll try and do that again. Let me do this a little bit closer to the camera here. So you might be able to hear that. And hopefully you guys heard that, but it makes a gentle little buzzing sound. And we're gonna go ahead and put this back together here. So this is a very simple task to do. The whole process actually takes a lot less time than it does right now. And actually today I'm thinking I'm gonna try this new clip here because I've been wanting to change it out, but I've been thinking that I would wait until I had to change out the battery, which I knew was getting close, but I wanted to show you guys because I do get so many questions about this. So I'm going to put the chakra on here, and this one is, again, this is the power chakra with the onyx on there. They come in these cute little boxes. They do come with some extra screws in there just in case. My screws look a little dirty, but for the most part, they're okay. So now the thing I want to show you guys is on the back of here, there's a setup. So you have your 3 holes very close. And as you can see, this is how it's going to sit. That pattern is very similar this way. So that helps me know which way I need to slide this in. And I am just going to slide that in there. And I like to get this top hole right here, the most aligned first. And then I can just take my screws, these little itty bitty babies. Let's see if I can get it in there that way. There we go. Oops. And get those in there, and then this will give me an updated look for my leaf for when I am working out or around the house. Now lately I've been wearing my leaf a little bit more on my shirt. It's easy for me. It's still been kind of chilly, so I need to have a little bit of a sweatshirt, and when I've got a sweatshirt like this on, it really inhibits having my leaf sit there and read properly. I'm going to go ahead and close these up here. Now, just to remind you guys, some of the placements that you can put the leaf, you can wear it on your shirt, on your pants. It can be worn as a necklace, as a bracelet, of course. And I do have some customers that have reached out to me who have told me that they absolutely love wearing it as an anklet. So for that, they choose the wearing it on the hips, and it does a pretty accurate reading. Now, because I've yet to actually try this, and I was hoping for, as we got a little bit closer to summertime, trying it, and seeing the various placement of everything and checking in and seeing how that goes. I definitely could get back to you guys, but if you guys have any comments about that, that'd be really great. Now what I'm here is just making sure that it's really synced in here, really tight, and that keeps that seal, that rubber seal that we put right here, nice and tight in here, because I wear oils and lotions on my skin, this will help keep a lot of that moisture out and won't inhibit the function of my leaf. And there you go. So now I've changed the way my leaf looks from one to the other, and really it took only a few moments time. Now on Bellabeat's website, you can go to bellabeat.com and you can find these in their accessories. So if you go to shop and you go to accessories, you scroll down a little bit, they do have these clips in there. The clips that they have currently are going to be the crystal leaves, and that's the one with the Swarovski in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful leaf. That one I would show you, but I don't have on me at the moment. You are also going to be able to get that in a rose gold or a silver. And then another one that they have besides the love and the power is the urban. So this is the leaf urban. This is what the clip looks like. And again, just showing you how quickly and easy it is to swap out. Now, because I have a lot of leaves that I use for taking pictures and stuff like that, I don't keep batteries in all of them because I don't want to wear out the leaf itself and cause corrosion in any way, shape, or form. So I don't typically have that in there, but it's very easy to take a battery, place in there, get it all sealed up. I just wanted to show you guys for today's purpose, again, just how simple and easy it was to slide out and slide back in. Now, important, so you're not having to play with this, just make sure you match up where your stuff is gonna go. And then on this one, this part right here inhibits the pushing of the leaf into there, so we'll have to come over onto this side here. And we're just going to line up those holes again. Actually, you know what? Rather than do that, let's put this rose quartz on here because we have yet to play with that one. And the whole point in getting them was trying it out. Now, these are just fabulous. I'm super excited to take some pictures with them. I've been creating some new malas to go with them and some new necklaces in general. The mala necklaces work really, really well for the chakras. So that's the love chakra, which I'm working on right now, or the power chakra with the onyx there. Those are really great for wearing and holding intention during meditation. Because this process is very, very easy to do, you can swap things out very easily. You could have it for your meditation, you know, wear it in like a regular clip there, wear it in your meditation, and then you can swap it over to one of the urban clips. This is the impulse clip. They don't have a whole lot of the impulse clips. They sold them for a very brief amount of time. And because I was a silver girl before getting my impulse clip, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna step outside of my normal and grab the rose gold, and I have been a rose gold silver lover forever. I've thought about adding some more two-tones and even tritone jewelry to the leaves, and I've really opened up some options there. But as far as having some things that have more of the silver in them as opposed to rose gold, so you get those two-tonal things on there. So, and there you go. And that's just how simple it is. Again, you can pick up these clips from bellabeat.com, and they have 3 different varieties that you can do. You can do a leaf urban, you can do any of the chakras, or you can do the crystal, and those come in the silver and the rose gold. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to see something further, please let me know. Thanks.